Hey Imagineer Squad, today we're going to talk about how to draw signs. Signs are a great way to highlight details in your notes and draw attention to key ideas that come up when you are listening to a podcast, doing a training, in a meeting. It's just a great idea to call out important information, or you can also put a title inside the sign. You can also use signs for quotes and big ideas and key terms, words that you want to remember, or reminders that you want to make to yourself. The first basic sign we're going to practice is just a rectangle. Just want to make sure your lines are even, okay? And then you can add, with like a thinner marker, you can create a tack or like a nail, and then you're just going to connect from right before the bottom of that line to the corner and meet it, the top, and bring it down to the corner. So it almost looks like a sign that is hanging on a door or a post, okay? The other type of sign you can do is like the sign I drew here with a stake. So you always want to start off with your rectangle. You can also do a square. Let's do a more of a shortened rectangle, okay? You make your post. You can make like a diagonal line. Just angle the line just a little bit and then give it a little bit of depth in the back. You can make lines inside there to show the shadow. You can also make these squiggly lines like I did to kind of make it look like it's a wood sign, okay? You can also add a tack so it looks like you tack the sign onto the wood, and I always like to add a little bit of grass to make it look like it's a sign that's kind of just hanging or posted outside. The other kind of sign that you can do is almost like a banner. So what you want to do is make a curved line and just follow the width of that line and the flow of that line by coming down just a little bit. Okay? All right? And then you're going to close the ends. And then this is almost like a banner. You're going to make a short line here and a short line here. Make sure they're parallel, and do the same on the other side. A short line here and a short line here. That's going to show that the banner is kind of folded over. Okay? Straight line to make this into its own rectangle. Okay? Straight line to make this into its own rectangle. Then the important part you need to give it the visual effect is that folded shadow. So you're just going to connect these 2 points on both sides. Okay, and then we're going to do the same on this side. Okay, and if you want to add small lines to create a shadow, you can do those diagonal lines inside here. Okay, and that is your banner. Okay, and then a simple sign, again, it's more of making sure, if you want to show that a sign is being held up, that you start with the hands that are holding it. So let's do a rectangle sign here. We're going to stop short of going all the way down and just make rounded shapes like hands, and then complete the rectangle. Okay? So if you want to show someone holding a sign, you could also show their head here and just a little bit of the shoulder. So that implies that the hands are holding the sign. If you want to finish this off, you can draw the body coming down and the feet there to show someone holding a sign. Okay? We're not going to get into what words you write in the sign in this practice, but when we get to that in the next practice, one tip to remember is you always would start with the words inside the sign. That way you always know you have enough space. So if we can put love, be thankful, help, speak life. Okay. All right, Imagineer Squad. This is your practice for this week. Creating signs. Get out your sketch pad, your notebook, or your loose paper and start practicing. I'll see you next time.